What is up guys, welcome to Software Learning. So today in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to get music for your YouTube videos free without any copyright claim or without any copyright strike. If you use those songs for your YouTube video and you want to monetize, you can do this. So I'll be explaining you how to get those music sounds for your videos that matching to your videos. You have a vlog channel or whatever kind of a channel, you can use those without any problem. Let's jump into this video. So guys, first method to get copyright free music is SoundCloud. So go to SoundCloud and search any type of music that you want to put in your video. So I'll search chill, and it's mean chill music, and here all these songs are copyrighted and these songs are not allowed to use in YouTube videos. So you need to now click on tracks and click on to listen to and click on to use commercially. So if you are in this tab, then these songs are you can use these songs commercially. So simply click on any song that you want to use in your video. So I'll click on this one, and here you can see that here is a free download, and this song is Creative Commons license, and here you can see that this song is free to use in your video. So simply you can download this by going to Google and search that download SoundCloud music, and you will need to put this link in your in that website, that then this song will be downloaded to your computer. And the second method is here there is a YouTube channel called Audio Library Music for Content Creators. So here you can find any type of music that you want to put in your videos, vlogs, or anything, any type of video in your project. So just you need I'll click on this and open it in a new tab, and just if you are using these music, you just need to copy and paste these track info in your description. And here you can see that copy and paste, they are saying to you that copy and paste these things in your video description, in which video that are you using this music. So that's all you need to do for this, and you can use this music and you can monetize your videos, and you don't need to be worried about that these songs will be copyrighted in the future. So because I am using this from very long time, from 4 years I'm using this music, I have no copyright issue from this music. So there's another method called no copyright sound, which means NCS. There is a beat drop type of music. I hope you know about these types of music like beat drop. There is a music starts up, and in the middle of the song there is a beat will be dropped, and you can also get these types of music on this channel. So here is the same, there is a same rule for this channel. You just need to copy and paste these info, and here you can see that description, you just copy and paste these info in that particular video in which you are using these songs. So guys, last method is YouTube Audio Library. This is the best method to get YouTube music for free, and this is on YouTube, and these musics are provided by YouTube. So here you can see that I'll put the link in description of all these things, all these channels or websites. So here you can see that I am on youtube.com/audio library, and you can see that there is a lots of tracks here, and you can also see genre of these tracks and creator of these tracks. So you can click on this genre tab, and you can select any genre and download these songs. And here is a mode, you can select instrumental if you want instrument. So you can also select duration of your song and attribution. So here is the main thing, that attribution required mean you need to credit those artists that you are using music of those artists. So if you click on attribution required, if you are using one of these songs, you need to give credit to this artist that you are using this song. And if you click on attribution not required, then you don't need to put anything in your description, and you don't need to credit these artists. So if you want, you can, but there is a not necessary for this, and you can select any genre and do this, and click on all license, and you will get all these kinds of all license. And you can also get sound effects. If you click on it, you can also get sound effects for your project. Or right now we are using making this video on free music. So here's the method. You can simply play this if you like this music, and you can simply click on download, and this will be downloaded for your. I'll play one of these music, and here you can see that you are free to use this song and monetize your video. This means you can monetize your video and free to use this in your product. And if you click on attribution required and play one of these songs, so here you can see that you are free to use this song, monetize your, but you must include the following in your description. It's mean you need to give a credit to that artist that you are using music if you are in attribution required tab. So that's a last method. That's all. I hope you like this video. If you have any problem in this video, comment down below. I'll help you. Thanks for watching.